Hello. Um, Last week I was trying to install the Windows Data Center on my computer, but I was not able because I installed it directly to my computer and I had to uh, reinstall Windows to my computer and try to get all my data. But I was able to do that, hopefully. But this week I installed the Oracle VirtualBox and I installed the Windows Data Center 2022 in it. I was able to do that just by watching the video instruction, and it has a base memory of 248 megabyte, and I put 3 processor on it, and I was able to give it 60 gig. uh, that is more than the base. And now my Windows Data Center is up and running. I have everything here. Thank you.